Have you ever wondered how to make your wall look like this? Last, I made a video on how I unbox and assemble my 3D acrylic wall clock, and Oluwatobi commented, "Please sir, can you snap and send the user guide for me? I lost mine and I am unable to install it." So Oluwatobi, I'm not going to snap the user guide for you, but I'm going to guide you through step by step on how you can install your 3D acrylic wall clock. This video is mainly for you only. So just feel free, as I am going to guide you through step by step. So there's no need for you to worry anymore. And with this guide, you'll not have any problem installing your 3D acrylic wall clock. So without much wasting of our time, let's go into the video. So to install your 3D acrylic wall clock in a very perfect way, after you unbox it, you have to assemble it. And if you don't know how to assemble your 3D acrylic wall clock, just go to my previous video on how I unbox and assemble my 3D acrylic wall clock. I will link it in the comment below. So go there and check how you can assemble it. So after you assemble it, what you need to do is to bring out this carton colored paper. It is the guide that will help you to fix the numbers in its rightful positions. So what you need to do is to, first of all, you place a nail on the wall and then place the mechanism, the real clock itself, this, and then place it. After that, place the carton color on the wall, and then from there use a tape to hold it firm, and then you use a marker to mark out the point, those holes, mark out those holes right there. And then after marking out the holes, what you need to do now is to remove it out, and then you place the numbers in where you mark those holes. Place the numbers in where you mark the holes. After that, you are set. Your clock is now ready to use, and it will be like this. It will make your house look amazing. It will make your house look amazing. So Oluwatobi, I believe this video helps you on how you can install your 3D acrylic wall clock. Please, if you have any question, you can link it down in the comment below. I'll be there to answer you and also help you further on how you can get your 3D wall clock mount to the wall, so your house can look very amazing and beautiful, just like this one. I'll see you in some of my next video. Bye for now.